Hello guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel VGH46 and welcome back to another video. So as you have seen in the thumbnail, today I am going to be unboxing boAt AirDops 131. So I purchased this in Flipkart guys. Oh shit, my cutter just fell. I just ordered it yesterday from Flipkart, but it's already arrived at my home an hour back. So yeah, so I think this is a pretty good AirPod. So let me unbox it first without further delay. Okay, like last time, I'm not using any big knife, guys. It was just for fun. Okay, here's the package. Okay, it's a pretty good package. Okay, there's one more box. So I purchased this for 1,300 rupees, guys, and that's the bill. Unwanted stuff. Even I don't want this also. Let me just throw it. Okay, and there's one more tape over here. Let me cut it out, and it's done. All dirt on me. Okay, unwanted. So here's the AirDops 131, guys. The packaging is pretty awesome. Oh nice, this actually looks good. So let me show you a closer look at it now. So now let me unwrap this thing now.
2,000 years later.
This is how you unwrap things, guys. Again, more unwanted stuff. So there's a seal in here, so it's still brand new. It's not opened by anybody. Now what should I think I must open the seal on both the sides. So it's done. Now let us push it up. How cool is that, guys? This is so tiny. Just look at this. It is gorgeous, guys. It's shining bright, and the name of the color is midnight blue. I thought of ordering black also, but I felt this is kind of different, so I bought this one. So let me take the wrapper off. Let us see what and all is there in the box now. Oh yes, some foam over here. And what do we have in here? So it's a C-pin charging cable, guys. The quality feels good. And yeah, this is some stuff with the cricketers on there and the autographs of them. So I don't need this. I'll just keep it aside. Okay, and this is the instruction manual, guys. It says all how to pair and how to charge the AirDops and all. So if you guys want, you can read it over there. So, and you also get a 1-year warranty card, guys. Yeah, this is a must. So let me keep the boxes aside now. Yeah, so let's come to the AirPods. Oh god. So let us open it now. Oh my god, it feels pretty good to open it. I'm already impressed, guys. Just look at how it opens and closes. It's just awesome. And so here's the AirPods. Let me keep it here first. So let us check it. This AirPods feels pretty good handy, guys. It's really cool. The design of it is cool, but what is the biggest difference is, like in most of the AirPods you get this rubber tips over here, which makes your ear feel soft and easily or adjustable, but this thing has plastic, but even this is pretty comfortable, guys. So yeah, and this is a C pin and where your charges. So here is the C pin C port where you can charge the case, and this case is about 620 mAh, and it gives you the total time of 15 hours playback with the case, and once the AirPods are charged, it will give you around 3 to 3.5 hours of non-stop play time. So yeah guys, this is pretty good. So guys, let us pair this AirDops up now. So if you want to pair it, you must just take the AirPods outside the box, and then now you must go to the Bluetooth settings in your phone, and it's already in pairing mode, guys. So you must go to pair new device. So it's really quick, guys. It has a Bluetooth V5.0 connectivity, so it's very fast. So I must just click it on it and allow all access to it, and then pair it. Now it's connected, guys. So it has 100% battery. It also shows you the battery it has. And then let's check the sound quality. So guys, the treble in this AirPods are awesome. It's coming really good. Let me play some bass song now. So as you guys can see, I'm playing Martin Garrix Animals. So guys, it can catch every beat easily properly, but when coming to the bass part, no, it just goes a little bit low, like if you have kept the volume at 100%, suppose when bass song plays, the volume will go down to 80%, even though it has 13 drivers, but I don't know why the bass is not coming, but it's as I expected, guys. It's really good. And by the way, I'll tell you why the bass is not so good in this thing. See, in most of the AirPods, you guys will see a rubber tip, so when you guys wear it, your ear will get air blocked, so there will be no air passing to your ears, so you can hear every detail which a song will be played, will be like, it will come awesome. So but in this, as there's plastic over here, it doesn't get airtight, so it happens like that, guys. Otherwise, build quality and everything, it's great, but I hate the light part, guys. See guys, it comes red and blue, which I hate actually. If you guys cannot see, wait, let me disconnect it and then you guys will see it. Yeah, so now it's disconnected. As you guys can see, there's a red and blue light coming. It makes me feel like it's a pretty local item. If there was only white or just only blue light, then it would have been really awesome, guys. There's only one disadvantage in that, but it's not a matter. Compared to the pricing, the sound quality and the build quality and the playback time is really awesome, guys. And I just love the charging case. Just I feel like opening it and closing it. It's just awesome. The sound of it, just hear it. It's just awesome, guys. So I like the white lights of this. If the same light was there here, I would have loved the earphone. So within 10, I'll give this 8, guys. 1 star minus for the bass, and one more thing for the light. Except that everything is really good. And now let me show you the controls of it. So guys, if you want to play or pause a song, first you must press press the button one time. So as you guys can see, it started playing, and if you want to pause it, again press it once. And if you want to change to the next track, then you must press it twice. see, just change to the next track. So this is it. And if you want to pick a call, incoming call, then you need to press the right button once, or if you want to cut the call, then you must press it twice. But if you want to reject the call, you must press it for 2 seconds. And more interesting feature in this AirDopes is that you also get Google Assistant and Siri for your Apple products. So if you want to activate it, you must press this for 3 seconds, guys. Just look at. So a beep will come in your AirDrop, so that you will get to know that this thing has been activated, Google Assistant, and you can directly speak, guys. It also has a mic, right? So that's why. So this is it, guys. The overall review is, I already told you, I'll give a 8 out of 10. So this is a pretty good AirPods, guys. So you can call it AirDopes, AirDrops, AirPods, TWS, whatever you want, guys. So I keep calling everything, so please don't mind. Okay, and this is the review of it. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and leave a like for the video if you guys liked it. And thank you very much. Comment down below whether you like this color or the black color. So thank you very much, guys. Everyone stay safe.